This is German type quick release hose clamp. The material is stainless steel 304, head, screw, and band. There are also stainless steel 430, band, screw, galvanized steel, housing in low carbon steel, nickel plated. For screw type, there are cross, slotted hexagon head, and flat slotted hexagon head. The fixed part of the head is bent at 90 degrees and has a small flat cutout that allows the clamp to be locked in a closed position to assist with tightening. A window large enough to let the moving part of the head going in position without tight tolerances. If you want to know more information, please contact us.